Hello there traders. For today's analysis, I decided to cover the USD versus Japanese yen because I think that there is a good opportunity, and I will cover and basically update you about the Australian dollar versus US dollar that I alerted you yesterday. Basically, that Australian dollar finished in the second target. But for today's opportunity, I found that USD versus Japanese yen got a great opportunity for the long side for today, and I will explain my reasons why. So I will start with the daily time frame on the USD Japanese yen, just to show you that there is a potential that for the bear flag completion. This is a bear flag pattern that, from my perspective, there's a bear flag, which is a continuational pattern. We got a strong upside trend in the background, and I can see that USD yen can trade higher, probably back to retest this zone around 109.20, maybe even that 109.40 zone. So this zone here. So daily looks like pretty much that we are doing the pullback for a day, so that there is a potential for another upside continuation based on the daily time frame. Now, speaking of the intraday charts, for example, what we got so far today, I found that there is a breakout of the support resistant trend line. We got if you gather the recent swing highs here and you put a one trend line like this, you'll see basically that we got a clear breakout of that, right? And we're getting away of this kind of price was locked inside of this triangle wedge, call that how you want, but the main point here is that we broke this resistant trend line, and that actually momentum was quite decent on that breakout. That's pretty good clue for today that there is a potential for the further upside movement going through the till end of the day. So now I already put some levels that you can watch eventually to try to go long from this area here around 108.68, 108.70 zone, and then to try to work towards the 108.87, which is the previous day high. Eventually you can watch for this level to secure stop loss and break even, and then watch some main targets to be around 109.10 and 109.35. There is a potential to make a 2-to-1 risk-reward ratio or 3-to-1 risk-reward ratio. The price will go all the way up to the 109.35, and stop loss suggestion for this type of idea today will be around 108.44, which is basically the overnight low from the Asia session low. Right? So there is a good opportunity there from my perspective, and that's why I decided to cover the Japanese yen. Now, just to update you about that Australian dollar, where we spoke about this downside movement, basically USD Australian dollar versus US dollar achieved both targets, and we tested a take profit 1, take profit 2, and this was the trade for yesterday. So that'll be all for today, and see you tomorrow for the next update.